Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samiksha Rana, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create this peachy pink makeup look with some DIYs. So let's get started. Start with a clean face. First I'll be applying Biotique moisturizer and massaging it well into my skin. Then I am applying aloe vera gel as a primer and massaging it well into my skin. Now we'll be creating illuminator. So for that I am taking a glitter eyeshadow and mixing it with my moisturizer. Mix it well, and yes, you have your very own illuminator. Apply it all over your face to get that illuminating and glowing skin. Now I'm taking foundation and applying it on my face in dot motion. Blend it well. Blending is the key, guys. You need to blend it very well. Then take your favorite concealer. Here I am taking Swiss Beauty. You can take any of your favorite brands. I am applying it under my eyes to hide my dark circles, and also it is used for highlighting few areas like bridge of your nose, your chin, and yeah, blending it well. Like I've already said, blending is the key. Then I'm applying a face powder. I'm powdering all my face with the help of a brush. Then I'm taking a lip balm or a lip tint, whatever you like, and putting that on my eyelids for a very peachy pink eyeshadow, and also onto my lips, and then on my cheeks. It will give you that very nice, natural, glowy pink look. Now I am doing my eyebrows. I'm first brushing them up, and then I'm using a brown eyeshadow to fill them in. Then I'm curling my lashes with an eyelash curler, and I'm using Vaseline in my lashes. Then I'm applying a coat of mascara. Then I'm taking this LE18 eyeliner and putting that on my eyes. And yeah, we are done. I hope you liked this look. This is very nice daytime look that you can create with very less products, and it looks very pretty.